welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is going to be a little bit of organizing, cleaning up, just being productive, running errands, a lot of things to do, just like crossing things off the to-do list. I just have a lot to do. Thanksgiving is next week, so we are leaving. We're going to be with family, so we're going to Southern California, and I really want to get all of these things done. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of bring you guys along, see what like a whole busy, productive day looks like of just getting shit done. So I have to go to the post office. I have a lot of cleaning to do. It looks messier than what it is. It's a lot of clothes down here because I made some big orders. Oh, I have to get like some organization bins at Target. And then I'm just gonna give you guys maybe like little tips and things that I do along the way to hopefully help you guys out and just motivate you. I know I love to watch these kinds of videos when I feel like I'm in a rut or when I feel like I need to clean or organize. I always feel motivated after watching a video like this. Hopefully that happens for you guys. If you guys end up enjoying it, give it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and start. So case in point, this is what's going on. This is a huge Zara order, which there's a few things I need to return. So I kind of need to go through this and organize what I'm keeping, what I'm returning. Zara's sizing is just really odd. So some things are like perfect for her and a few things are just too small. I got an Amazon package. Oh, let me show you guys what I did get from Amazon because it's honestly something totally worth it. And then I have a ton more clothes sitting on the table. I have some packages I have to go ship out. So there's a lot to do. Oh, okay. And then a little quick tip. This corner here, I know it looks messy right now, but these are drying. So once these are dry, I'll put them away. These are taking up half the corner. That's trash. But we always keep our Google Home and then that's for the internet. So that those two always stay up. And then I do need to organize just a bit, but normally this corner looks insanely messy. Like there is mail. There was a ton of stuff from when Meadow was a baby, like teethers and things like that I didn't want to throw away because I'm like, okay, if we have a second baby, I don't want it to be trash. So it just sat here in this corner for the past literally 3-4 months, which is kind of embarrassing. I wish I had a before picture, but I finally cleaned it up. Still pretty messy. Like I said, it still needs a little revamping, but finally cleaned it up and I felt like a whole new woman. So tackling that one little project that you've been avoiding, I know everybody has like that chair in the room that you just throw so much stuff on, and looking at it every day seriously like brings my mood down. So cleaning and doing a little bit of picking up, revamping corners, or as much as you've been avoiding it, this is your sign. Go clean it, go pick it up, go organize it. Another huge thing that I really need to organize is our pantry. I'm not gonna get to that today. I know I'm just not gonna have time, but I think once I organize our pantry, I'm gonna feel like a new woman also. Oh, and then let me show you guys the Amazon order that I mentioned. So these glasses right here, this is like my 3rd or 4th time buying these. I bought the 2-pack, so I'll link them down below, but they're just like the coolest chic sunglasses that are super affordable. They're like under $20 for the 2-pack. Okay, next tip. This might be a little silly or maybe even a little obvious, but making like your own homemade coffee for me really brings that little bit of joy, and it helps me just kind of push through the day, whether it be like a tea for you, hot chocolate, something cozy. Like there's just so many different things, or maybe even making like a special water. Like there's different things you can do that can just put that little bit of joy in you and make you feel like now you can accomplish everything. So there's some salmon in the air fryer, so by the time I'm back, Meadow will be awake from her nap. So that's gonna be ready so that Weston could feed her, because you know it's all about teamwork around here. Oh man, Meadow's waking up. I just got a notification. So I'm leaving right when she's waking up. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, she's awake. She's literally sitting up and laying back down. Okay, well, I'm only gonna do one errand then. And this is the thing I feel like with being a mom, Weston, I'm sure, would be more than happy to stay home and allow me to do even more, like go to Target like I wanted to. But I think it's just personal mom guilt where I feel like I'm missing out on her life. Even though it's one day, I'm missing out on the next few hours of family time in particular, because I'm with her every single day. But I'm not with her and Weston every single day, if that makes sense. So I have gotten a lot better. Like when we're back home, her grandma will take her for a few hours and I don't feel guilty about that. I feel totally fine. But something like this, me and Weston together, like all 3 of us as a family, we only get so much time together. So it's times like this where I'm like, I can't be gone. Okay, I'm talking forever now and I feel like I'm missing out on this time that I'm talking about. But anyways, thought I would mention that. So I'm just gonna go do the one errand. And on another super, super important note, the reason I'm able to do all these things today is because Weston's home. When he's not here, I don't really like to do too many like errands per se. For example, right now I need to, let me just start driving actually. Right now I need to go to the post office and I just need to run out of the car, drop these things off, the shipping's paid for and everything. And it's gonna take me 2 minutes to run inside and do this. Where I don't wanna do that with Meadow and take her out of the car seat and just have her go inside. And I know some people have no other choice and that's what you have to do and that's totally fine, but that's just not something that I like to do. So on the days that he's off is the time where I'm able to do these things. Since Meadow was napping, I could go to the post office and do that. So anyways, that's just my little thing. Obviously, you and your partner are gonna do things the way you think is best. Anyways, I feel like this video has been very rambly and a lot of talking, not a lot of doing, so let's go. Okay, another thing I like to do is get ready. I know if you're gonna be cleaning and doing all that, this doesn't apply. If I'm doing like a good deep clean, I definitely do not get ready. It's definitely like a lazy lounge kind of outfit, but to go out and about, be out in the world and be seen. Don't get me wrong, a lot of times, again, I'm in my lazy comfy outfits, but to feel like I'm getting a lot done, I like to be ready. But let me show you guys my outfit. Love, love, love this coat. I will link it below. I am obsessed. I think this one's a medium and it runs pretty big. The sweater I just got from Zara. It's a crop sweater, but I love that it has this drawstring here, which I kind of hid under. I'll try to find it online because I did find it in store. These are some super, super high-waisted faux leather leggings in this cream color. These ones are also from Zara. And then the boots I've shown, I think on Instagram. I don't think I've shown them here, but these I got recently as well. They're so freaking cute. They're actually really comfy. They are a really chunky boot. I'm into the whole chunky boot look, so that's the whole outfit. So I wanted to share it with you guys. Is this show for yourself or for Meadow? Because she's not watching. Oh wait, yeah she is. She's watching, she's watching. Cheers, snap, snap, cheers, snap, snap.
As long as the stars are shining above us, then I just wanna be with you.
What's up, Meadow? We need it!
Oh, yeah!
Sing it!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah!
Yeah!
Go, Meadow! Go, Meadow! Go, Meadow! Go, Meadow! Go, Meadow! Oh!
Fire is slow.
She does not want, it's her stage.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Go, Meadow. Go, Meadow. She knows you're trying to take over. She said no. I'm the star of the show now. Wow. Grabbing some of these storage bins. These are actually my favorite ones. The ones with the latch, and they're affordable. They're not like the super expensive ones. So grabbing just a few.
2, 1.
Are we getting all the essentials or are we just playing?
We're playing.
Oh, we're doing a little bit of both.
But as long as there is time, I'll walk beside you, 'cause I just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you, I feel no fear.
Good morning. I just got done with the facial. Oh my gosh, like I was just sitting here for the last few minutes because I've been trying to wake up because she like put me in a trance. She put me to sleep. I literally like couldn't open my eyes when I was done. I was like trying to get off the bed. But anyways, my skin is looking glowing and so good. I'm feeling like a new woman. I need to get home, finish my coffee, and get to cleaning, finish up what we didn't finish last night. And I feel like that's another big thing. Whenever you see like these YouTubers or just people that you follow, a lot of times their lives might look perfect, or it looks like they have their home super tidy 24/7, whatever it is. A lot of times I have to split up my days, and I'm sure a lot of you guys do too, where you don't get to finish everything that you wanted to or that you anticipated that you would finish. So last night I wanted to finish all the cleaning. Like I mentioned, I was like so excited to get everything done, and I just felt like I was being so productive. And I ended up kind of just hanging out with Weston after dinner. We ended up getting tired, and we went to bed at a decent hour. So now this morning we were playing with Meadow. I came and got my facial. Now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna finish doing what I was gonna do yesterday, and then I'll be able to get ready and go on with the rest of the day. And she's gonna go down for a nap soon. So I just thought I would mention that. Not everything happens in one day, and it's totally fine. Sometimes you have to split things up and just do what works for you. So, okay, let's go home. Let's go see Meadow.
And when you hold me, all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you, I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. And I know I just wanna be where you are.